shunting are on the Overland cars. This is not my layout, it's my friend's layout. Hopefully we can get it to run this time. With the 30, that'll be fast enough.
Don't do it too far. One of those skills that I'm not
Yeah.
My skills.
Can you go under there? Under the tank. Yeah, my wife. I'm going to stop this here. I'm just not going to pause the video, shunt NR8 off, and I'm going to get NR14. Right now I've got NR14. That's it. I need the thing on notch 50 and on the ramen. After this I'm going to take the Overland cars off and put them on the in their box. Then we'll do EV. Do a weird lash up. Yeah. You won't hear the bell on this logo because Lisa and Alex can't figure out what the button had to press to turn on the functions. These carriages weren't cheap either, they're really expensive carriages set. I'll stop this set. But I'm going to shut it down where you are. You need to take NR8 off. Put it in on the kitchen table. We'll stop this here.